It's Monday morning and the guys have done a complete line clean down here, and I've got Ollie behind me who's this line leader, and he's changing some blades in the granulator. So I thought it was a great chance to show you what a granulator looks like from inside. So the material comes down into the top of the granulator and basically gets chopped up, and then it finds its way down through here, and it does drop down into a tray, which we've got out of it at the moment, and the material gets sucked into that big pipe at the bottom, which then takes it up over the top and into the bags with the finished product. Let's jump up next to Ollie and have a look at the blades he's changing.
There's 25 fly blades, which are these ones, and 2 dead blades, which don't move at all. They're set at the back and the front.
Okay, and how long does it take you to do it?
4 hours, 4 or 5 hours.
Okay, and so big clean down beforehand?
Big clean down, during and beforehand.
Yep.
Don't want anything left in the machine for it to run through.
Yep, and the main reason is obviously quality control, right? We're really big on that here.
Yeah, you can leave a spanner in here as well, destroy the whole machine.
Yeah,
so.
Yep, and destroy the finished product as well, right? Wow, these are quite sharp.
Yeah.
So there we go, that's a quick look at one of the granulators we've got on site here at Peterborough, and the way Ollie's been changing the blades.